Gabe's tracking storms moving into the area right now.
It's nothing as severe as what we saw last year, and even getting weaker as the time moves on.
Yeah, the trend generally through the evening has been weakening. We're still keeping an eye on things, still do have some active warnings for some of our counties, mainly LaGrange and a sliver of Noble County right now. But you can really see the picture just over the last few hours has been weakening. You'll notice some of those more intense oranges, yellows, and reds starting to dissipate, especially along this northern part of the storm here that's starting to move into LaGrange County. That's good news. It indicates some weakening. Here's where the storms stand right now. Again, this northern portion is where we're seeing some of that weakening. This cell on the southern end, though, remaining somewhat intense, and all along it seeing a fair amount of lightning and heavy rain. So even if we don't necessarily see severe weather, we'll likely have a decent light show and some heavy rain, perhaps even some gusty wind, even if it doesn't quite reach severe criteria. Here's the timing on this line of storms as it's going to push to the east. Again, Warsaw, really within the next 10 minutes or so, we expect to see that enter your area. Places like Auburn, Angola, going to be closer to midnight, and then Fort Wayne again shortly after midnight. I expect to see this line of storms moving in. Again, for our southern counties, it may take a bit longer because the southern part of the storm is farther off to the west at the moment. Here's a look at what we look at in terms of wind to see whether these storms are maintaining their intensity in terms of wind. We were seeing some of these blue colors in this northern section of the storm. Again, this product shows wind. The brighter the colors are, the stronger the winds are. Seeing some weakening here. That's compared to down here, the southern storm, still seeing some of those bright greens and blues, which could indicate some gusty wind, perhaps near 50, 60 miles per hour. Again, we're going to keep a close eye on that. You'll note again, though, the general trend has been weakening. We still do have several severe thunderstorm warnings in place. This line will likely be through the area within a couple of hours, so not a long overnight event. And again, FutureTrack also really shows what I expect, and that's a weakening trend as these push through. Could even see, though, some rain lingering into tomorrow morning, but by midday, drying out. It's then possible we see another line of storms tomorrow afternoon and evening. That's something we're going to watch. It could be a bit of a repeat of today, whereas we see some more scattered storms in the afternoon, the early evening hours, and then a more organized line late in the evening and into those overnight hours Wednesday into Thursday, with that heat and humidity really serving as some fuel there. It's still 80 degrees. That's why those storms are still going. Winds out of the southwest at 8 miles per hour, and it feels like 85. It was feeling like the triple digits earlier today, hence that heat advisory that was in place today. It's in place again tomorrow, going from 1 to 8 o'clock in the evening there again, where we'll be feeling near 100 degrees tomorrow. Here's a look at FutureTrack. Starting out the day tomorrow near 70. By noon, we'll already be near 80, and then topping out near 90 with those feels like temperatures again in the triple digits. That's going to be a theme as we head into the next few days. Again, those highs staying in the mid to upper 80s, but it will feel like the mid to upper 90s, even potentially the triple digits. We keep those storm chances around through the work week, but look at that weekend. Much, much nicer. Highs only near 80 with lots of sunshine. Some nice relief after some stormy and hot weather.
I am looking at that weekend already, Gabe. It's only Tuesday.
Yeah.
There's more to come on